on ET Now. I am Snehi Shah. With me is Shesha Advari on the show, and we're taking stock of what the market is doing right now. Not much happening. The negativity in the market that we've seen from yesterday that continues to deepen even today. Albeit that rate of cut that we're seeing in the market is lesser than what we saw yesterday. 0.2% cut coming in, barely even holding on to that 25,800 mark for the Nifty right now. Similar cuts for the Sensex. Nifty Bank also 0.2% lower, and that pressure that we saw in rupee has nominally improved from that 91 mark, a 1% improvement coming in, but we've slipped slightly after that as well. It's Shriram Finance, SBI, Eicher Motors, Hindalco doing well. On the flip side, Max Health is the top Nifty loser, followed by SBI Life, HDFC Life. So some of these insurance stocks are not doing well on the back of the insurance amendment bill that now approves 100% FDI in the insurance sector from the 74% mark earlier. Some private banking names like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank also seeing some pressure in trade right now, but it's names like Misho up 20% in upper circuit on the back of a UBS buy initiation coming in. You have Akzo Nobel that is under deep pressure on the flip side on the back of a major block deal. So these are some of the stocks that are in focus on the back of individual news flows. It's the day of PSU banks today, shining bright. Bank of India, Canara Bank, PNB, all of them are doing well, followed by Nifty Metal, IT, Energy, with Pharma on the flat line and slight bit of a cut on auto and banks, but deeper cuts today coming in on FMCG, Realty once again, financial services and Nifty Media, which was the top sectoral gainer yesterday. So that is the take coming in on the way the market is panning out right now. But let's also talk about one stock that has been in focus today, and that's Akzo Nobel. Akzo Nobel has seen a major block deal today where 48.8 lakh shares have changed hands, and Imperial Chemical is the likely seller. Rabinder is joining us with all of those details.
Well, as Akzo Nobel is deep under pressure on the back of the block deal where 48.8 lakh shares traded in a block deal, which is equivalent to 10.7% of the total stake, and most likely seller will be Imperial Chemical Industry, which hold 45.46% stake as of September 2025. Remember that earlier in September month, before there was a significant block deal where the promoters sold approximately 5%, which is equivalent to approximately 22.77 lakh shares in Akzo Nobel India through the large institutional buyers, and the transaction was executed via multiple block deals worth rupees 764 to 765 crore, and major buyers included at that time was Nippon India Mutual Fund, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, etc., and the selling entity was Imperial Chemical Industry Limited, and today also Imperial Chemical Limited had sold their approximately more than 10.7% equity. So back of this block deal, Akzo Nobel is deep under pressure.
Akzo Nobel under pressure today on the back of that block deal. Rabinder, thanks so much for joining us with all those details. On that note, we need to slip into a very short break, but more news and updates will continue on the other side.